If you need to analyze large or small amounts of data, then this is the course for you. Most organizations have data sitting in a variety of places and formats, from Excel files stored on local computers through to SQL databases and cloud-hosted platforms like Salesforce or Google Analytics. The challenge is to combine all this distributed information in a meaningful way to allow informed decisions to be made. You could use Excel to do this job, and people spend many hours per week doing just that. I love Excel, and we train hundreds of people each year to use Excel efficiently. While Excel is supremely flexible, well known by many people, and it works well on data that can be represented by a single table, there are some downsides. It's just not great at efficiently combining and calculating large amounts of data from different places, or sharing that data with a lot of people. If this sounds anything like your situation, then Power BI will make your life easier. It can connect to almost all data sources and create connections between them to build a single, complete picture of your data. Then building reports and dashboards from this unified data and subsequently sharing the results is exactly what Power BI is designed to do. Power BI consists of two main elements: the Power BI service and Power BI desktop. Power BI is fundamentally a cloud service which we can upload data to, and once uploaded, the data can be used to create simple or complex multi-page reports that visualizes that data. Key pieces of information can then be taken from one or more reports and put on a dashboard for a high-level overview. For people consuming data, their journey starts at the dashboard, and clicking on a visual on the dashboard will take you through to the more detailed report page from which it came. These reports are interactive and encourage people to explore the data using their own knowledge and understanding of it. Where does Power BI Desktop fit in? This is the tool that enables connections to be made between datasets from different sources to build that unified data model. It enables the creation of high-performance calculations, called measures, and also offers the most flexibility in report creation. Once the data model and report pages are created, the next step is to publish that to the Power BI service, where dashboards can be created and everything is ready to be consumed. The icing on the cake is that a refresh path between the original data and the online reports and dashboards can be created and updated on a schedule. This means a hands-off approach to ongoing data updates. Often it is the only minor changes to the reports that are required over time. Both parts are covered on the course, which will give you an excellent foundation in using and understanding Power BI as a service and the desktop application to flexibly model and display data of all types and sizes. We look forward to you joining us on our next course to help you learn, develop, and be brilliant.